Hello, I'm Nick. Today I will show you how to craft UI design using Google Gemini. I will create a mockup of a home screen of a food delivery app. And the first thing I will need to do is outline the screen. I suggest using Markdown format because it makes layout easy to scan both for humans and for AI. Here is a preview of the Markdown of the home screen. If you're interested in getting a complete prompt, I will leave a link to it in the description. Once you have a prompt, you can jump to Gemini and submit it to the input field. Choose Create Images and Pro Model to give Gemini a signal to activate Nano Banana Pro, and Pro Model will get you the best possible reasoning. The UI generation process takes less than a minute, and at the end you should get something like this. If you compare this design with the original prompt, you will see that Gemini followed the instructions rigorously. UI generally looks okay, but if you compare it to design from ChatGPT, you will see that Gemini tends to add more visual details, and as a result, UI looks a bit heavy from a visual point of view. Unless you're creating a mood board and plan to use this design as an inspiration, you want to see a prototype of this design. So the next step is turning this design into code, and there are two options to choose from. First, code with Gemini. To do that, you will need to open a new chat, attach the image of the layout that Banana generated for you, and write a prompt code this UI. I suggest choosing Canvas mode along with the Pro model. Canvas mode will open the dedicated canvas for the code of your prototype. It takes about a couple of minutes for Gemini to code this design, and at the end you will get a coded prototype that will look like this. Looks nice and very close to the original. The second option is coding design with Figma Make. To do that, you will need to jump to Figma Make. Provide a screenshot of UI and ask Figma Make to code this mobile UI. Note that I explicitly mentioned mobile because Figma by default creates a web design. Choose a model for this work. I will go with Claude Opus 4.6, the most sophisticated model for coding at this time. And if I have a design system in place, I can also use it as input to create a design using the components from design system. Hit submit, and after a short wait time, we will get this design. The great thing about Figma Make is that we can refine this design in the context. For example, if I want to make the carousel scrollable, I can simply choose this element and prompt Figma Make to change it. Another great thing is that I can export this design to regular Figma and refine it there. To do that, I can click on Copy Design icon in the top right corner, jump to Figma and paste design that I've copied. Note that this design has a great structure and auto layout enabled, meaning that we can jump to a particular UI element and modify it. And if we delete something, our design won't fall apart. That's all for now. Please let me know what you think about the process of creating UI design with Gemini in the comments. Thank you.